Hello and welcome. My name is Katie and I'm here to show you an Excel tip today all about how to conditionally format to see duplicate values and then to remove duplicates within our data set. First things first, let's start off with the spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet that I've put in some data, very simple data here. So we did country, region, and ID. And the first thing I want to show you is how to conditional format to see the duplicates within your data. So the first thing we're going to do is highlight our data. I'm using my mouse and I'm going to click and select all the cells that are within our range. Within the Home tab of our ribbon, you'll go over to Styles, and under Conditional Formatting, you can click this arrow down and highlight Cells Rules. Then you'll go over to the right and you'll go down to Duplicate Values. You'll click on this, and what will happen is it'll automatically default to a light red fill with dark red text. You can change this to whatever fits your need. You can also change duplicate or unique. We want to see our duplicates there, and then I'm going to hit OK. So as you can see here, these are all my duplicate values. You can see the US NA 23 and then US NA 23 there. So yes, we have duplicates. There's another duplicate in row 7 as well as row 9. Now in order to remove the duplicates that I've highlighted, I will highlight all of our text and I'm going to go up to my ribbon into my Data tab. And within my Data tab, I'm going to go over to Data Tools, and then there'll be this little icon that has cells and a little X mark. I'm going to click on it, and then it'll say Remove Duplicates, and I want to select all. So I want my columns, my country, region, and ID, because I want the entirety of one row to be removed when I'm removing these duplicates. So I have all of them selected. I'm going to hit OK. And then you'll get this little pop-up box that'll say 5 duplicate values found and removed, and then 5 unique values remain. So that's great to know. Sometimes we want to know how many rows we actually have left. Okay, so I'm going to hit OK. And then in my conditional formatting, you can see that within my country, they're all removed. I have no duplicate values. The region, that's going to happen. US is in North America as well as Canada. And then we have unique IDs left as well. So that is how you remove duplicates from your data. Super helpful when you're dealing with a really large data set and you need unique values. So thanks for listening today. Feel free to like this video, subscribe, and then in the comments section, please add any other videos, formulas, anything you'd like to see about Microsoft Excel, and I'm happy to help and build that content for you. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.